Assignment B.13 Pleasures of Reading. The pleasures of reading. Reading is a wonderful hobby that opens the doors to wisdom. As the famous saying goes, reading makes a complete man. It is a great way to stay well informed about the world around us. When we open a book, we find ourselves in the company of great authors and learn about the lives of great people who inspire us. Reading keeps us busy in a fruitful way, ensuring our free time is never wasted. It refreshes the mind and acts as a stress buster after a long day of school. Most importantly, it strengthens our ability to think and analyze complex situations. We should always read for pleasure to grow into knowledgeable individuals. Assignment B.14 Save electricity. Save electricity. Electricity is the greatest boon of science, but we must use it wisely. It is painful to see how people waste energy every day. To protect our environment, we should always follow the motto, save energy, save earth. We can start by using CFL bulbs and star-rated appliances that consume less power. It is our duty to switch off lights and fans when they are not in use. We must also ensure that all electrical appliances are switched off when they are not being used. Additionally, keeping ACs on sleep mode helps in reducing wastage. By following these simple habits, we can contribute to a brighter and greener future for everyone. Assignment B.15 Letter to Mother. Your address date. Dear Mother, I hope you are in good health. I am writing to share my exam results with you. While I performed well in most subjects, I feel very sorry to inform you that my grades in science were poor. I realize that I have poor basic concepts and I faced a lot of problems, particularly in numerals. Please do not be upset, as I am already trying to improve my performance. I have started seeking my teacher's help after class to clear my doubts. I am also solving special assignments and spending 1 hour extra daily on science studies. I promise you that I will work with full dedication to achieve better grades in the future. Your loving son, Pulkit. Assignment B.15 Letter to Mother, Informal. Subject, Explaining Poor Science Grades. 12, Rose Villa, New Delhi, October 10, 2023. Dearest Mom, I hope you are doing well. I received my report card today. While I did great in other subjects, I am very sorry to tell you that my science marks are quite poor. I worked hard, but I realized my basic concepts are not very clear and I am struggling with numerical problems. Please don't be upset. I have already started trying to improve. I am seeking help from my teacher and solving special assignments. I have also decided to give 1 extra hour daily to science. I promise you will see much better grades in the next exams. With love, Pulkit. Assignment B.16 Letter to a Friend, Informal. Subject, Describing a New House and School. B.45 Green Avenue, Pune, October 12, 2023. Dear Rohan, how are you? As you know, we recently shifted to Pune because of Dad's transfer. Our new house is in a quiet location. It is quite big with 4 airy rooms and a lovely garden. I have also joined a new school called St. Mary's School. It is a famous school with over 2,000 students and great sports facilities. I have already made a few new friends and my classmates are very kind. However, I miss you and all my old friends a lot. Do visit me during the holidays. Your friend Gaurav. Assignment B.17 Letter to the Editor, Formal. Subject, Permission for a Field Trip. The Social Science Teacher, Modern Public School, Mumbai, October 15, 2023. To the Editor. The Bombay Times, Mumbai. Subject, Permission for a Visit to the Printing Press. Sir, I am a social science teacher at Modern Public School. I am writing to request permission for a visit to your printing section. The purpose is to teach my students how newspapers are printed and distributed. I plan to bring 30 students of Class 7, age group 12 to 13 years. We would like to visit on October 25, 2023, at 11 a.m. Kindly grant us permission for this educational trip. I look forward to your positive response. Yours sincerely, Signature, Teacher Name. Assignment B.18 Letter to the Postmaster, Formal. Subject, Complaint against the Postman. C32 Mahal, Nagpur, October 18, 2023. To the Postmaster, General Post Office, Nagpur. Subject, Complaint against irregular delivery of letters. Sir, I wish to bring to your notice the negligence of the new postman in our area. Recently, letters are not being delivered properly. Many important communications have not reached us at all, and some letters have gone missing. Because of this, urgent letters often reach us so late that they lose their value. It seems the postman is very irregular with his work. I request you to look into this matter and issue him a warning to ensure timely delivery in the future. Yours faithfully, Ankur Gupta. Assignment B.19 Description of Naseeruddin Shah. Naseeruddin Shah is a very famous and talented Bollywood star. He is a 70-year-old veteran who is loved for his amazing film and stage acting. He is an old graduate from the National School of Drama in New Delhi, where he learned his great skills. Throughout his career, he has acted in more than 150 films and around 100 plays. He is known as a versatile actor because he can play any role easily. He has an A-class grip on acting, which means he is a master of his craft. Because of his hard work, he won the National Film Award for the movie Paar. He is truly an inspiration for all young actors. Assignment B.20 Description of a picnic. Last Sunday, I went for a wonderful picnic with my relatives to a beautiful riverside park. We went there in our big family van, and the drive was full of singing and fun. We carried a large basket of yummy food, some juice, and a badminton set. My cousins, uncles, and aunts all came along with me. Once we reached, we spread a mat and enjoyed the fresh air. I played games with my cousins and helped my aunt serve the snacks. We also took many photos to remember the day. It was a perfect day spent with family, away from the city noise. I felt very happy and relaxed. Assignment B.21 Description of a quarrel. One day, during the school recess, a loud quarrel took place between two groups of students. It happened right outside the main school gate. I was an eyewitness to the whole event. Two boys from the senior class started fighting over a small seat on the bench. The argument grew louder and soon their friends joined in. They began shouting and pushing each other. It was quite scary to watch. Luckily, our physical education teacher saw the fight and rushed to the spot. He stopped them immediately and took them to the principal's office. In the end, the students realized their mistake and apologized to each other for their bad behavior.